Well, that was a surprise to get that item. That was a definite surprise. We have a product from Essentra. It's for your monthly cycle. At the risk of TMI, in case anyone was wondering, for me, that monthly situation shut down a long time ago. So it's kind of frustrating when you get something like that in a box and you can't use it. Yeah. Yes, this is a mystery box of sorts. I appreciate their desire to hit natural products, vegan products, eco-friendly companies. I appreciate that concept. Yet, at my age and stage, I'm not going to be using this. And yes, I can see if I can pass it along to someone that I know that maybe someone in their family can use it. Yet, yeah. Does this need to really be in a box is another good question. I guess it depends upon your age range. And this particular item has a suggested retail of $29.95. And there is the lovely disclaimer at the bottom talking about the FDA and law not approving dietary supplements, but FDA does regulate supplements and ingredients, and this particular item has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Okay, I appreciate the disclaimer, and there's the information, but this box and I are not starting off on a good note. This box is every other month, so this is the April-May box. And I pay extra to get a 5th item. The box itself is $40 and you get 4 items. I pay $60 and I get 5. And the 5th item, I'm trying to convince myself that, oh yes, I like this item because it contains rose hip and pomegranate and has a retail of $74. It just seems to have, it's from a company called NYL, which I'm sure is a nice enough company. There just seems to be the bottom notes or the undertones of a woodsy scent, and that's just not my thing. I'm not saying that this is a bad product, and I am not saying that this is a bad box. It's just looking like this is not the box for me. For some people, this is probably a great and wonderful box. For me, this is turning out to be not my thing. What else did we get in here? We got a NYL Skincare Body Balm that is $38. And it's supposed to help correct lots of dry and chapped areas. Okay, fine, fair enough. Yet an April-May box, I mean, I realize we can get dry skin year-round. An April-May box, I guess I was expecting something a little more, I don't know, fun, a little more exciting than dry skin. And it does have a safety seal. I got a little sniff through the safety seal, and I can tell it's a product I'm not going to use, so it will go into the Find a Future Home box. This is from J&L Naturals. It is a hydrating face salve, and unfortunately Anne can't use it because it has almond oil, which is no one's fault. It's just I'm allergic to nuts. And again, though, it has just the undertones of a heavy woodsy scent, which, like I said, seems to be the repetitive nature of this particular box. This is my third box with them, and I'm paying $60 every other month, which is a little pricey, in my opinion. And again, I'm not trying to bash the box. It's just, this is not going as well as I thought it would. We did find something from J&L Naturals that I can use. It has a retail of $8.99. This is a loofah pack. There are 2 of them in there. They do indicate that this is only for body, not for face. I will say, feeling them, they definitely have a good scrub type feeling. Then again, this is when they are dry, not when they are wet. And they do come, help me out here, hold that for me, Fatima, thank you. They do come with a way to hang them up so they can dry more effectively. So at least there is one product in this box that I can use. This just ain't your box. Yeah. And I appreciate the fact that they do enclose a printed card that tells you about the items. I appreciate the fact that they support Uncle Neil's home. Home is where the herd is. I believe that's a charity for farm animals. They have a 15% off on their shop purchases with the code LOVESHOP2024. So there are good things if you can tolerate the scent of the products. And that is what I am finding is my problem, is that this is not the box for me, because the scent of the products is just, all of them seem to have, or at least the majority of them seem to have a woodsy undertone. And that's just not my thing. It's not a bad box. It's just, it's not the box for me. I think especially getting the product for that time of the month gives me the indication this box is probably geared for a younger group. Maybe those that are in their 20s or 30s. Yeah, I think that's probably a better age range. And I passed up my 20s and my 30s and my 40s and then some a long time ago. So this will be the last time I'm doing this box on my channel. What do y'all think? Anyone else out there try this box? Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. It's free. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We do have fun adventures over here. Every so often we find a box that just doesn't work out for us. And that's the way it goes. So, like we said, consider subscribing to our channel. We do have fun adventures. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. I think we're sounding redundant. I think you're probably right. We do hope to see you soon in another video. Check out something popping up on the screen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.